Hello friends, welcome to 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how you can install theme on your WordPress website. So if you are new to WordPress website and you don't know how to install themes on your website, then this video is going to help you. So let's watch this video from beginning to end. So first of all, you need to log in as an admin on WordPress website. So once you logged in, you will see the user interface like this, but might be you will not get like on the right side. There are lots of menu options on your website because on this website theme is already activated, so there are too many menu options are displaying which is comes from theme. So let's see, scroll down to appearance sections. You will see on right left hand side there is a appearance menu. Just mouse hover over and here you can see there is options called themes. Click on this. So here this is the theme page where you will see like already themes are like installed and one of them is activated. So here you can see the active theme 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲 is active on this, but these three themes is installed but not active. In order to install new themes, you need to click add new, and here there is already inbuilt theme which WordPress provides. So if you want to use any inbuilt theme from WordPress which is free for you, so you can like select any themes from here, or you can search themes as per your requirement. Like let me search one themes like contact. So here you can see like there are many themes which is displaying related to contacts. So you can search and used any themes as per your requirement. Suppose if you want to install these themes, then click on install button, and once it is installed it will go to previous page and then you can activate from there. But if you have like you have purchased any themes from other third party users, then you can click on upload themes button, and then you can choose a files and you can choose your themes from here. Let me just like I'm going to use this health scope themes. So there is like a zip file, you need to install zip file here, but I don't have any zip file. Let me check if I have any, then I can show you. Still I'm searching. Let me show you if there is any themes at my end. So I don't have as of now any themes, but if you like have any, then you can go and select zip file. Just like this is zip file, I have selected zip file, and you can just click on install. Once it is installed, then you need to deactivate. You need to activate that themes. So just like go to previous page, and you will here, and once you install your themes, then it will display here. You just mouse hover over and click on activate buttons to use that themes in your website. So once you activate that themes, then that theme will be activated here. But one more things, if you install your themes and if you don't have any post or pages on your website, then might be it looks like that themes looks weird. In order to like uh, looks good, you need to import demo contents which is provided by themes. So once you import demo content, then your website looks good and you can go and customize as per your requirement. So here you can see I have already installed these themes, this one 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲, and also important demo contents. I have not customized it yet. So this is demo contents which is showing here. You can also go and import demo contents. I will make another video how we can import demo contents which is provided by themes. So in this video, as you see how we can install themes on our WordPress website. So in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching.